Hi, I am Laura Valentina Ciendua Espinosa. There are various environmental ephemeris that remind us that we must take care of or protect the water, the air, and the air, but the one that is commemorated today is particular because we can hug and kiss and the honors. They are our beloved pets. It is a theme we think of immediately. However, they are all other animals that all need us to think about them even more than our body or the mission of the house, because they are hurting them. They are forcing them to become domestic, or because of the destructions of their habitat.